Hello.
M340?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
All right.
Thank you, sir.
That video, be good.
Hey.
Climb aboard.
Hello.
Yeah. Hey, man.
How are you?
Going good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. All right. Let's hope. There we go.
All right. Get yourself set up so you're comfortable. I'm Dave. I'll look after you for this one.
All right, Dave. Thank you. I'm Zaman.
Nice to meet you, mate.
All right. Let's see. Okay. All right. I think we're good.
Okay. If you're comfortable, I'll pop him into gear for you. Take us on round. We'll stop at the two tall cones just around the corner here. Remember, when you're out on the track, you're looking for the orange cones. They're the important ones. They kind of give you reference points. So stop him here for a sec. So they'll give you all your apexes as you go around the track. All right. Whenever you're ready, mate, track is clear, so go for it.
All right. Let's go.
Away you go.
Okay. No grip.
Take it out, not a lot of grip, and brake. So look your way around the corner, so you're looking for that cone way up around there. So wait for it, get him straight, back on the gas, brake, get him turned. Wait, no, don't jump on the gas, just nice and smooth. Remember, it's still wet, brake, going round to the right. Yep. So wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait, wait,
too
wait.
much.
Now pick up your throttle, there you go, and brake. Turn him in, wait for it to respond, back out to the left, and brake. Turn him in, look for that cone around the corner, back on the gas, nice and smooth, there you go. And brake, we're gonna head back up and in, so just down here.
All right.
Nice, well done.
Thank you. Whew, this is nice.
And then we're gonna actually go past these guys,
Go
just wait for them to go first, and then we'll go up to the front up there. Yep, so just follow the boys up.
Hey, no worries.
And we're gonna go all the way to the front where the where the double cone is up there.
Thank you.
That's it.
Alrighty.
Stop him there, I'll pop him in park for you.
Thank you, sir.
Easy as that, man.
Hey,
there
appreciate
you go, buddy.
it.
Go
This
and
is
enjoy the
awesome.
rest of the day.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Hopefully you can too.
Take care.
Thank you.
So if you need